Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Wix website private. First, log into your Wix account and navigate to your site's dashboard. From there, locate the Settings menu on the left-hand side. This is where you'll find all the essential controls for your website, including privacy options. We'll explore the different ways to restrict access, ensuring your content is only seen by your intended audience. It's a straightforward process that gives you full control. One common method to make your Wix site private is by adding password protection. In your site's dashboard, go to Settings and then find Website Settings or Privacy and Cookies. You'll see an option to enable password protection for your entire site. Simply toggle this on, create a strong password, and save your changes. Now, anyone trying to access your site will need to enter this password, giving you exclusive control over who views your content. Another privacy option involves preventing search engines from indexing your site. While this doesn't restrict direct access if someone has your URL, it keeps your site out of public search results. Navigate to Marketing and SEO in your dashboard, then SEO Tools, and look for the SEO Settings or Basic SEO section. Here, you can toggle off the option that allows search engines to crawl your site. This is ideal for sites under construction or private projects. To recap, you have two primary ways to make your Wix site private: password protection for restricted access, or hiding it from search engines to prevent public discovery. Always remember to review your settings periodically to ensure your site's privacy aligns with your current needs. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home with smart technology and crystal clear audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.